Hello guys and welcome. In this video I will show you how to check usage limits on Gemini. So without wasting any time, let's get started by going to the App Store and then in the search bar type the Gemini app. Just wait a bit and here you can see the Google Gemini. Here what you need to do is simply update it to the latest version and once you have updated the app, just simply go and tap on the Gemini app. Now here what you need to do is simply tap on the two white lines in the top left corner of the screen, and then what you need to do is tap on the gear icon or the setting icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Here you can see the usage limits. Simply tap on it and here you will see the usage limits. So you can see the current usage and weekly limit, which you can also see the reset dates or time. So that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Until next time, see you soon in another video.